Welcome to one of the world's largest pasta factories, where millions of pounds of pasta are created daily. From golden fields of wheat to your dinner table, witness the incredible engineering behind this global staple. This massive, highly automated facility operates continuously, utilizing cutting-edge industrial machinery. Rows of heavy-duty stainless steel machines and miles of conveyors span across the pristine factory floor. The entire process begins with the arrival of premium amber durum wheat, celebrated for its high protein content. Massive overland trucks deliver tons of raw grain directly to the facility's immense storage silos. Every single batch of incoming grain undergoes rigorous laboratory testing to ensure strict quality standards. Technicians analyze moisture levels and protein composition before the wheat is cleared for processing. Advanced magnetic separators remove any metallic debris or impurities from the grain streams. Pneumatic transport tubes shoot the clean grain directly into the high-capacity industrial milling section. Heavy roller mills crush the grain, separating the valuable endosperm from the outer bran layers. Sifting machines vibrate violently, separating the coarse golden particles known as semolina flour. The freshly milled semolina is vacuumed into giant intermediate holding hoppers above the production lines. Computerized dosing systems accurately measure out precise amounts of flour for the mixing stage. Purified water is injected directly into the high-speed continuous mixer to hydrate the semolina. Vacuum pumps completely eliminate air from the mixing chamber, preventing bubbles in the final dough. Massive mechanical paddles knead the simple mixture into a perfectly uniform, crumbly yellow paste. Heavy-duty hydraulic pistons push the dense dough toward the main industrial extrusion chamber. The dough is forced under immense pressure through traditional, heavy solid bronze extrusion dies. Bronze dies create a rough, porous surface on the pasta, allowing sauces to cling to it perfectly. Long strands of fresh yellow spaghetti emerge simultaneously from hundreds of tiny precision holes. High-speed rotating blades slice through the hollow tubes to create perfectly uniform penne pieces. Shaping molds quickly twist the extruded dough ribbons into intricate identical fusilli shapes. Air blowers instantly blast the freshly shaped, damp pasta to keep the pieces from sticking together. The raw pasta pieces drop onto wide mesh conveyor belts, entering the massive drying phase. The pasta slowly travels through multi-tiered pre-drying ovens to remove initial surface moisture. It then enters long, highly regulated main drying tunnels where climate conditions are strictly controlled. Precise heat and humidity adjustments prevent the drying pasta from cracking or becoming brittle. Optical sorting cameras scan thousands of pieces per second, detecting any minor color imperfections. Automated air jets instantly blast away any misshapen or discolored pasta pieces from the line. Finished, perfectly dried pasta streams out of the cooling chambers onto fast-moving conveyors. Multi-head computerized weighers rapidly drop exact portions of pasta into open boxes below. High-speed mechanical folders tuck and glue the cardboard flaps shut in a fraction of a second. Inline check weighers confirm each package meets exact weight requirements before final sealing. Laser printers stamp manufacturing dates and tracking barcodes onto the side of every passing box. Heavy robotic arms efficiently gather finished boxes and stack them onto large wooden pallets. Automated turntable machines wrap the loaded pallets in thick layers of protective stretch film. Laser-guided vehicles quietly transport the massive wrapped pallets into the towering warehouse bay. Fleet trucks load up day and night, shipping this premium pasta to supermarkets all across the globe. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more factory documentaries every week.